Hey guys, welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber, and welcome to my channel if you are a new supporter. Make sure you click the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell to be notified when I post new videos, and make sure you comment down below for more videos such as this one. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be another braces update. A lot has happened since I posted my last braces update. There's been a lot of progress. Okay y'all, first off, about my last braces update. During my last braces update, it was around June, and from June I didn't have another appointment with the orthodontist to August. So I really was supposed to do a braces update in August, but during June, I had just got my top power chains, and I still had the thumb guard in. And during my appointment in August, they placed the bottom power chains in, so I had both sets of power chains. And I do have a video, but it was a video of 2 weeks ago when they was taking all that off. Yeah, now I don't have power chains, and I do not have the thumb guard, and I'm so excited about that. And like one of my subscribers, one of my supporters had pointed it out that, like, hey, you need to, what are you doing? Like, you need to do a video and tell us what happened with the thumb guard. Like, and I know I was slipping, y'all. I should have got on here and told y'all. But actually they were supposed to take the thumb guard off in my appointment in August, but I was kind of like, oh man, like I needed to look on a little bit longer just so I can make sure this thumb habit is gone. So they left it on until my last appointment, which was the beginning of November. My last appointment was around November 19th or so. They took the power chains off and they took the thumb guard off, so I no longer have the thumb guard, and my habit is gone. So, and I did not expect my habit to be gone, like, cause I've been had that habit since like I was young and like a baby, really. Like, it was just became a part of me. Everybody who know me know that I had a thumb habit. But yeah, like, it's gone, and I'm so excited. I feel like the subscriber watched some of my other videos and like, wait, she sound different, because I could not get used to talking with that thumb guard in my mouth. It was so hard. Like, that was really like crazy to me. But yeah, they took it out, and I'm going to explain power chains because I really didn't touch on the power chains too much. I should have told y'all like what was going on with the power chains when I had both sets of power chains in, top and bottom. The power chains, like, they get rid of the gaps in between your teeth, and they also like straighten your teeth, you know, so your teeth can be straighter and put together. Like, I don't have a lot of gaps still in my teeth, and they took the power chains out, so now I'm just with rubber bands, brackets, and wires. Like, that's all I got going on right now. Okay, when you first get power chains, because I don't know if I mentioned this in my first update, your mouth, like when I got my bottom set of power chains after getting my first, my whole mouth was sore for like 3 days. And I know, like, it's 1 to 3 days. I know that, you know, it was gonna hurt because it's shifting your teeth like back straight or straight. I was told to still wear my rubber bands. If you guys don't know what the rubber bands, I don't have them in right now. But after my second update, I did get better with wearing my rubber bands, and my teeth dramatically changed. Like, if y'all ain't know, y'all need to listen to y'all orthodontist, because I was like, oh no, it hurt. I did not want to wear rubber bands. I was just trying to force myself to wear the rubber bands, but over time, when you keep wearing your rubber bands, it started to work. And now I only have to wear them at nighttime, and that is an improvement, because at first I had to wear them for 24 hours a day, and that was like torture. That was like torture. I did not like the rubber bands. That was not the worst part. Actually, if y'all know from the beginning, the worst part were the spacers, and no process, no braces process hurts worse than the spacers. To me, that's my opinion. And yeah, like my teeth improved so much, and I do have a close-up for you guys. I still can't stop smiling because I'm so happy with my teeth. Like, I'm happy with my teeth. So like at this point in my braces journey, I'm starting to realize that every little thing counts, and every little process, even though it may be painful, is worth it. Now, moving forward, after my appointment that was November that just passed, they told me that they were going to take all the wires, brackets, braces off and replace those braces, put them back on in different spots, because the old problem with my tooth, which was the overbite and the space, is gone really, but it's like new problems that they still have to fix so my teeth can be completely straight. My appointment is in mid-January. They said they're going to take everything off right now, replace, like reposition everything. They're going to reposition everything so I can fix the new, so they can fix the new issues with my teeth. And I don't know how I feel about that. That's like starting over. I never heard of the orthodontist doing that, like, but it makes sense to me. I never heard of that, but it makes sense to me. You know, because you want your teeth to be completely perfect, especially after you went through this whole braces journey. You want your teeth to be perfect. So whatever it takes, like I just mentioned, everything, all these braces processes that I go through are, you know, are worth it. And I thought this braces update was going to be longer, but it's actually quick and smooth. And one last thing, happy Vlogmas, guys. I'm so excited about Vlogmas. Y'all gotta tell me how I've been doing for real. Like, everybody be constantly uploading. That's a real hustle to upload a video every single day. And it's my first Vlogmas, so I'm hoping that I can get videos to you guys every day. I know for a fact that I'm gonna be stopping Christmas Day. Christmas Day will be my last daily upload, but that's neither here or there. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all comment down below, tell me your thoughts, concerns, opinions, and questions, and hit that post notification bell to be notified